If you have spent any time on TikTok or Instagram looking at makeup tutorials, you may have come across the term Igari Makeup. But not many people know that Igari Makeup is a Japanese beauty trend that originated back in 2018. It's named after a famous makeup artist, Shinobu Igari, who started the trend by introducing new looks that focus more on natural flush look, unlike the contour-heavy makeup look that was prominent in the early 2000s. Since the look's introduction, Igari Makeup has been embraced not only by Japanese models and K-pop idols, but have also become known as a makeup look that works for all skin types, given its versatility. Here are some tips on creating the look using some of the products available at Rei Cosmetics. Sweet eye makeup is key for Igari. To achieve this look, opt for shimmery eyeshadows that add some color and shine, combined with a thin eyeliner and lashes that enhance your natural beauty. This Canmake Silky Souffle eyeshadow palette features 3 translucent matte shades and 1 vibrant glittering color to add a pop of color to your look. Here we're using the coral pink to add some color to the eyelids and layering on the glitter color to add some shimmer. We then use the darker brown to add dimension to her eyes, making her eyes look slightly bigger. Favorites among K-pop and J-pop artists, Majorca customizable eyeshadows come in vibrant, luminous colors, so you can mix and match to create any look you desire. We're using 2 colors here below the eyes to brighten the bags under your eyes. To further add dimension to your under eye area, we use the ultra-fine Majorca gel liquid eyeliners to create delicate lines around the bottom of your eyes. We are using the brown to create some shadow and the pink to highlight the egg cell. For the top of your eyes, we use Dejavu's Lasting Fine Cream Eyeliner Pencil. The innovative formula in this eyeliner blends durability with a luxurious creamy texture, guaranteeing impeccable results with every use. For mascara, we're using KissMe Heroine Make Long Uncurl Mascara with Advanced Film. This mascara contains curl-locking ingredients and shape-retaining polymer that will keep your eyelashes looking upward and full all day long. KissMe is a cult favorite, especially for those people who have Asian lashes that face downward. Finally, we add further volume to our eyelash by using Dolly Wink's Salon Eyelash. Designed to mimic the natural growth of lashes, Dolly Wink eyelashes are fail-proof, even for newbies. Look at how natural the eyelash looks on her. Luscious plump lips are key to Igari style. Choose a glossy shade of pink, peach, or coral to create the perfect kissable palette. We're using Fujiko's Nuance Wrap Tint to create the perfect Igari makeup look. With its hydrating H2O-based formula, this innovative rouge offers a glossy finish with nuanced color that stays put and doesn't transfer, ensuring all-day shine. Finally, Igari Makeup is all about the blush. The key is to use the blush not just on your cheeks, but also across your nose and a little on your chin to create the flushed, rosy look. For this, you can use either cream or powder blushes, layer on shades of pink or coral colors rather than using one super pigmented color to create the sweet, flush look. Here, we are using Majorca Puff to Cheek in Mandarin. This powder blush has a translucent color, but as you layer on, you see more and more pigmentation. It's perfect for use all over your face because it allows you to control the amount of color you want in different parts of your face. We hope you enjoy this video and can incorporate this Igari makeup look into your daily routine. All the makeup products we used in this video are available on our website at www.reicosmetics.com. For further makeup tips and more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where we will be sharing more how-to videos for the perfect makeup looks.